Welcome back to our channel, the place where we uncover the hidden stories and values behind coins from around the world. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1992 UK 1 penny coin, a small but important part of British coinage history that will explore its design, specifications, historical context, and current market value. Whether you're a collector or just curious about the coins in your pocket, this video is packed with insights that will help you understand the significance of the 1992 UK 1 penny coin. Let's get started. The 1 penny coin is a cornerstone of British decimal coinage, which replaced the old pounds, shillings, and pence system in 1971. By the early 1990s, the decimal system had been fully integrated into everyday life, making coins like the 1 penny an essential part of Britain's currency system. The 1992 1 penny coin was produced during a significant transition in its material composition. This change marked the end of an era for the traditional bronze penny, as the Royal Mint shifted to copper-plated steel in late 1992 to reduce production costs. This makes the 1992 1 penny coin an interesting piece, as both bronze and copper-plated steel versions were minted that year. Design overview. Let's start with the design of the 1992 UK 1 penny coin. On the obverse, or the front, we have the familiar portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, created by Raphael Maklauf. This portrait, introduced in 1985, shows the Queen wearing the George IV state diadem, a beautiful crown that has become iconic in British coinage. Surrounding her image are the words, Elizabeth II and DG Reg FD 1992, which stands for De Gratia Regina Fidei Defensatrix, or, By the Grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The reverse side of the coin features the classic design by Christopher Ironside, a crowned portcullis with chains. This symbol, historically associated with Parliament, represents democracy and governance. The inscription, 1 penny, is prominently displayed around the edge, along with the denomination at the bottom. This timeless design has been a staple of the 1 penny coin since decimalization in 1971. Specifications and composition. Now let's talk about the technical details of the 1992 UK 1 penny coin. It has a diameter of 20.3 mm and a weight of 3.56 grams. However, what makes the 1992 penny unique is its material composition. Earlier coins, including those minted in the first part of 1992, were made of bronze, an alloy of 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, and 0.5% tin. Later in the year, the Royal Mint switched to copper-plated steel, which maintained the coin's appearance while significantly reducing production costs. One way to differentiate between the two compositions is by testing the coin's magnetic properties. Copper-plated steel pennies are magnetic, while bronze pennies are not. This transition adds an interesting layer of collectability to the 1992 penny, as it's possible to find both bronze and steel versions from the same year. Mintage and availability. The Royal Mint produced a significant number of 1 penny coins in 1992, with a total mintage of over 623 million. This high mintage means that the coin is still relatively common and easy to find in circulation. However, the exact distribution between bronze and copper-plated steel coins is unknown, as the Mint didn't release separate mintage figures for the two compositions. This uncertainty adds a layer of intrigue for collectors, as the bronze versions are generally considered more desirable due to their historical significance as the last of their kind. Circulated and uncirculated value. In circulated condition, the 1992 UK 1 penny coin is typically worth its face value of 1 penny due to its high mintage. However, uncirculated coins in mint state condition can command higher prices among collectors. For example, a 1992 penny in pristine, uncirculated condition might sell for £1 to £2, depending on its quality and market demand. Coins that have been professionally graded and certified as high mint state grades, such as MS 65 or higher, can fetch even more, with values ranging from £5 to £10 or more. Additionally, proof versions of the 1992 penny, which were included in collector sets, are especially sought after. These coins feature a mirror-like finish and sharp details, making them highly desirable for numismatists. Proof pennies from 1992 can sell for £5 to £15 or more, depending on their condition and packaging. Errors and varieties. One of the most exciting aspects of coin collecting is the hunt for error coins, and the 1992 UK 1 penny coin is no exception. Errors such as misaligned dies, off-center strikes, or double dies can significantly increase a coin's value. For example, a 1992 penny with a noticeable die crack or a doubled image on the lettering could be worth anywhere from £50 to £200, depending on its rarity and the severity of the error. Additionally, collectors often search for transitional errors, where coins from the early part of the year might exhibit characteristics of the bronze composition while being struck using the newer steel planchets or vice versa. These rare varieties can command a premium price and are worth investigating if you suspect your coin is unusual. Proof coins and collector sets. Alongside the standard circulation coins, the Royal Mint produced proof and uncirculated sets in 1992, which included a 1 penny coin of exceptional quality. These coins were struck with extra care, resulting in sharp details and a polished, mirror-like finish. Proof sets are highly collectible and often retain their value well over time. If you own a proof 1992 penny in its original packaging, it could be worth £10 to £20 or more, depending on its condition and demand. Market trends and collectability. The 1992 UK 1 penny coin remains a popular choice among collectors, both for its historical significance and its transitional status. While the coin is not rare in general, the existence of both bronze and copper-plated steel versions makes it an interesting target for those building comprehensive collections. Market trends show that collectors continue to value high-quality coins, such as proofs or uncirculated examples, as well as those with unique errors or varieties. As time passes and fewer of these coins remain in excellent condition, their collectability and value are likely to increase. Tips for collectors. If you're looking to add a 1992 UK 1 penny coin to your collection, here are some tips. First, focus on condition. Look for coins with minimal wear, sharp details, and a strong luster. Second, check for magnetic properties to identify whether your coin is made of bronze or copper-plated steel. Third, consider purchasing proof coins or professionally graded examples for added value and authenticity. Lastly, keep an eye out for error coins or rare varieties, as these can significantly enhance the value of your collection. In conclusion, the 1992 UK 1 penny coin is a fascinating piece of British numismatic history. Its transitional status, with both bronze and steel compositions, makes it a unique addition to any collection. While it's a common coin in circulation, its value lies in its historical context, quality, and potential for rare errors or varieties. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the 1992 1 penny coin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth coin reviews and collecting tips. Until next time, happy collecting!